Alright guys, it's time. So in this box right here, we have the upper intercooler piping, which we're going to be installing at the trap house, at Andre's house later on today. But we got a few things to do before that. And we also got this little package in the mail. And you guys should just take a wild guess what these are right here. We got some more goodies for the Evo. So guys, first things first, we got some injector dynamics 2000cc injectors for the Evo. So we got some more sick decals in here, injector dynamics. And we got the fuel injectors themselves right here. So with these injectors, we also got the full fuel system in here. So these are perfect, but I kind of messed up with this. Now guys, the final thing inside of this box, this little guy, the Wabro 450. I kind of messed up on this because after I mentioned the JRP that I got this, if you guys don't know JRP, they're gonna be building my car over the next month and a half. I'm gonna be filming the entire thing. I mentioned I got the Wabro 450 and they mentioned that it's not gonna be pumping nearly as much fuel as I need, so I'm gonna be getting rid of this, either returning it or selling it to someone. And we have to go with a dual pumper Wabro 450s in the trunk with the whole custom line setup, which I'm gonna be filming all of for you guys. So this garbage, get out of here. This is the good stuff. This we're keeping.
Jump to the back of the case, strict when I walk straight through, no chase. Water flow down from the top to my lace, take a bitch straight down to the goddamn place. Bitch say I leave, they bitch don't call. Fuck what you say, shit never go fall. Check quick that I show with the
Alright guys, had to grab some breakfast real quick, and now it is time to get started with our day. Now I'm sure most of you guys saw the video where I mentioned I'm selling that fast and getting a new daily. And last night around 4 or 5 a.m. I was sitting in bed and I came up with the best idea for like a little series with the car. So I'm buying a new daily. It's not gonna be the S2000. The FRS is going goodbye tomorrow, so you guys will see. It's gonna be a surprise. Alright, and we are back guys. I got a new mouse for myself for editing because I snapped mine in half. And I got my dad a pair of AirPods because he's been wanting them for a while, so I got them. And now it is time to kill time. We're gonna grab something to eat for Father's Day. Obviously gotta kill a few hours and then Andre gets off work and we can finally install my upper intercooler piping. So we have Tata joining the party. How's it going, my friend?
Up?
We have secured the package right here, some brand new intercooler piping, upper intercooler piping. And where are we going right now? Where are we going?
To Andre's
trap house. Let's do it. Hey, it's a performante. The man, the myth, the legend.
Bro, you're good.
You're trying to get me copyrighted, Andre? Turn that off right now. Good. We got some good old pipage today. Andre? Woo! We're actually installing this on Andre's car.
Oh yeah, let's go.
So Madonna over here is hogging the spot. So I gotta do my install outside in the freezing 80-degree. Alright. Andre, you can do the honors. We're gonna open it up. Today's official sponsor is Pepsi. And Corona today. We got special sponsors on today's list. Huge shout out to Corona. Link in bio. Use code Chris to get 17% off your next
Chris
Corona
17.
bottle. Peanuts. Let's make Andre's house a mess.
Whoa!
A nice pipage right here. Wait. Don't even try.
And here we go.
Cue the music!
Oh my days. Look, all this.
Put your hands up!
Just some good old pipage. That's all we got here today. Nothing too crazy, just some good old pipage. Check that one out. Oh my, it's gonna be like it's gonna be like
Whoa!
Should we do it?
Let's do it.
Oh my, no, let's do this one,
bro.
Oh my, no, right here. Straight out the middle. Right here. Step number 1. We gotta take this bad boy off. Dude, what the f? Give me my pipes.
I don't even know where that goes.
Step 1, pop your hood open. If you don't know what intercooler piping is, well, it's this stuff right here that connects from over there all the way to your intercooler. Tata, we're teaching Tata because he doesn't know anything about cars.
Seeds from like point A to point B.
It's pretty much like 3-4 bolts, so it should be pretty simple. Actually, let's check if the hardware is in there. But yeah, check this out. Save the hair. Merch coming soon. Merch coming very, very soon.
They put stickers with no hardware?
Where's the hardware?
Whoa.
Looks like we're using old hardware.
Don't take that.
You look like a seal, bro. Hop the hood. Hop the hood. I've never heard those words come out of Tada's mouth.
Wow, he's becoming a cop.
Hop the hood. Give me a state ref. You gotta find the sweet spot. When she moans, you have to. So I thought they forgot the hardware. I thought we were gonna use the old one, but apparently we're just stupid and it's already on it. So yeah, pretty simple. Loosen this. Take this old garbage one off and put some nice titanium pipage on there. This is by Ultimate Racing, I believe. And just like that.
Did you just play yourself?
Forever.
Oh my god.
It's okay, we didn't even need that part. It's fine. It's fine.
You think this is the proper spot?
Well, it's not like you wash your car, right?
Well, yeah, you got me.
Completely forgot I had to even take my front bumper off. So we took it, we cut the zip tie off of that side that was holding on my bumper. We got the old pipage out, garbage.
Garbanzo.
You can put it with the other garbage.
Sir, put your hands up. What is this? Can't you see this illegal modification?
It's some good old pipage, officer, stop.
How many times have I told you?
Officer, read.
Don't. What?
This guy's having a good time right now. EDC.
EDC.
Final piece to the puzzle. I think it's time for a car wash after this. Nah. I've been working all. I just pulled the motor, guys. It looks pretty good to me. Is there actually dirt on my face?
Yeah. See, this is how long it takes for these two to work on the car.
Well,
very slow.
Tada dropped some bolts down there.
What's up, bitch?
Okay, yeah.
What's up?
Look at that. The amount of burns I got on my head. Okay, we're done here. We put the little horn that's not connected to anything back on, just for looks. Now it's time to put the zip tie the bumper back on, and then we have some good pipage done here, and that's about it.
Saw how deep my hand was in her.
Whoa,
Keep it PG, bro. PG, bro.
Whoa, hey, it's about time that kid left. Oh, he's great. Great, he's back. Oh, my favorite. Can you see it? I hate spiders. There's nothing I hate more than spiders.
Oh,
except for Tada. We're gonna start it up, make sure there's nothing leaking from there, just in case. Oh boy, it's gonna be so much faster now. You guys have no idea. We're actually gonna go dyno it right now. So, okay, guys. So Andre's address is actually gonna be in the description. If you guys want to kick it with us, just check the description. And yeah, we're here all day, man. It's open invite to everyone, right? You played yourself. You played yourself. With this whole intercooler piping setup, I should gain at least like 300 to 400 like wheel actually. So not to the crank, 300-400 wheels. So that's pretty much the complete build. That was a 1,000 horsepower build I was talking about, guys. So. One more. So. Right now, it wasn't loud enough. The clap needs to be louder. Wait. So, guys, we're finishing up here at Andre's house. We finished installing the upper intercooler piping by Ultimate Racing, full titanium. Nothing like it's not like a horsepower difference or anything. It's just more durable because I'm gonna be needing some durability when it's completely done. The official motor build begins in how many days? 4 days. The countdown. How many hours is that? 96 hours. 96 hours from now, I will be dropping off my car at JRP Performance, and I'm gonna be there the entire time, a month and a half, I think. Well, I'm not gonna be there the entire. I'm gonna be filming there for a month and a half, so it should be a pretty cool process for you guys to see everything from the trans, axles, diff, the motor itself, the turbo, the fuel lines, everything is going to be filmed. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you, my friend, for the trap cam.
Anytime.
I'll see you guys tomorrow's video. Tada's teaching me how to work on cars. Get that out of my ass. I'll kill you.
I'm Michael Jordan. Stop it. Get some help.